Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Shishi and Jen. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, this is Shishi.
Hi, this is Jen.
And we're back today to do a recipe, and this one was sent in by Judy from Dayton, Ohio.
Yes, and Judy's going to get some free Shotgun Red Live DVDs. So thank you for submitting your recipe.
Hi, Judy.
Hi, Judy. And it looks absolutely delicious. This one is called Tater Tot Cheeseburger Casserole.
Awesome. And sounds good.
Anything with tater tots and hamburger, that's pretty good for me. So I'm
that's
happy.
That's a meal in itself.
I know. I love that kind of stuff. And I like casseroles like this too. So from what her instructions say, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Maybe just a little bit towards the bottom just to add some flavor. That's probably good. Maybe a tablespoon or two.
Is it turned up enough here?
I think so, but let's just make sure we got it up high enough. And once we have that in there, we're going to add the hamburger meat. We have just your typical 80-20 ground beef, and we've got 2 pounds here. What are you doing, Sheila?
I just want to make sure it didn't have that little thing on the back.
We're gonna do 1.5 pounds of this, basically.
Oh, you're too neat with yours. I throw it in.
Yeah. Give me that thing. Give me that thing. I'll let you do the chopping up. So you're going to chop all that up. Okay, so I've got a whole yellow onion chopped up here, and I'm going to add that in there so we can brown that up in there. Okay, so while she's stirring that up, I'm going to take a little bit of this minced garlic, and we're going to sprinkle some of that in. And you could use dry garlic if you'd like. I just like minced myself. And you know, we try out these recipes before we actually do them to make sure that A, we can get through them, and B, that they're good and that you guys are all going to enjoy it, because not everybody has the same taste, but these are just, everything that we've received so far has been fantastic. And know this also, please check our website and make sure that we haven't already done a similar recipe, because we try not to copy any recipe that we've already done or that Steve has already done in the past. So make sure you check through. I know there's like 300 recipes, but I think there's a search box at the top of YouTube, and you can check to make sure that we have done it.
Probably now about 320 or
322, I think now.
Awesome.
So lots of recipes, but just type in the keyword, and it should come up for you. We're going to let this brown for just about 10 minutes. And then we're going to add some more ingredients. So we've got the hamburger meat browned. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a couple tablespoons of white flour, and we're going to sprinkle that all over. So you want to cover all the meat, and then we're going to stir it up and make sure it's completely covered with the flour. And then we're going to add, once that's completely stirred, we're going to just pour in this beef broth, and the flour is going to help thicken that up. And this is about a cup and 3/4 of beef broth. And then we're going to add this Worcestershire, your favorite word.
I hate that word. Mine's
Sheila,
mine is sauce.
The sauce. I'm the Worcestershire, and you're the sauce.
I'm the sauce.
That's right. So mix all that up. What we're going to do is we're going to let that simmer for about 10 more minutes. So I'm going to turn this heat back up a little bit.
You want the lid back on?
Lid back on.
Lid back on.
And also, we drained that meat so that there wasn't as much oil and fat in the bottom of the pan. So once that was brown, we took some of that out and just put it in a cup, and then added the flour in. That makes the flour stick to the meat easier, and it doesn't just wash right off onto the fat. So, all right, we're going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes, and we're going to add some more good stuff. So we've had this simmering for about 10 minutes. Once that is all simmered up, we're going to add in cream cheese and sour cream, and this is about 2 to 3 ounces of each for this amount. So it's like 6 ounces. And I melted softened the cream cheese a little bit so it would go in here. And you're going to just mix this all in here until it's completely melted in and around the beef that's in the pan here. It looks delicious. Judy, you got it going on, girl. We like it. So once you get that completely mixed, you're going to add in your sweet corn.
Yay!
And I'm throwing sweet corn all over the floor. I just kept it in the bag. It's been thawed out, but you're going to add a whole bag of sweet corn. Corn kernels. I think I got it all in there.
Okay, there you go.
And you'll just mix that up.
She likes it because I'm left-handed and she's right-handed.
That's why she's always standing on that side. Otherwise, she'd be bumping me constantly in my side. I'm right-handed, she's left-handed. This is how we roll. This is good. Okay, so what we've done is we have sprayed some Pam or non-stick cooking spray into this dish. And we're going to transfer this into
the
dish. And we're going to add some more yummy stuff.
Yay.
Doesn't that look good? Okay. So I'm just going to unplug that skillet. And I'm going to bring this right over here. And pour that right in the bottom of the pan. One good thing about this non-stick skillet is it all comes out really easy.
There you go.
Here we go. All right. So we're going to put a little bit of salt. And this comes out quite a lot. And some pepper. And you can also add some onion powder, garlic powder, whatever you want. I've already put minced in there, but you could add a little bit more. I don't know about you, but I like a little garlic. And I don't think Judy would mind a bit.
No, and a little onion.
Little onion powder.
Yes.
Might make it, just spice it up. And if you'd like a little bite, you could always use my red pepper, I'm just saying. Judy's like, no, that's not in my recipe. So then, the next thing we're going to add is delicious shredded cheddar cheese. Yes, and we're going to just sprinkle that on. So I'm going to let you do that, and I'm going to show them what this looks like. And we're just going to sprinkle that all over. So the whole thing is completely covered. I think she called for like 2 cups of cheese, but you can just put as much cheese as you like. We like cheese. Isn't that good?
Cheese sandwiches,
right.
cheese.
Anything cheese. And this is really interesting because they put the cheese on the bottom, and normally you would think this would be on the top. But they put it on the bottom. So you've got all the meat and onions and everything on the bottom. Then you got your layer of cheese. And then you're going to take your wonderful tater tots.
Now that is good.
Everybody loves tater tots. I left them in the bag because I just like the bag. I mean, when you're a kid,
That is such a cute bag.
Well, when you're a kid, I mean, I used to love when Mom would like put these in the oven, like tater tots. You know, I'm just saying.
With fish sticks.
So you're just fish sticks, tater tots, all that unhealthy stuff that we ate as kids. We're okay.
Oh,
anyway,
yeah, we're still here.
We're still here. So you're just gonna spread that evenly right over the top of that yummy cheese, and that's gonna keep it to make it brown. So they'll be a little bit crunchy, which is absolutely delicious. There's nothing like crunchy tater tots. And then for a little bit of color, we're going to take either chives or green onion, and we're just gonna put a little bit right along the top. This is kind of a mixture of chives and green onions, and that'll add a little color and a little flavor, and
that is
look
pretty.
good. And so we've already got the oven preheated to 375. So we're going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, we're back. We just got this out of the oven, and we had it on 375 for about 40 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. And you have to let it sit and cool for about 15 minutes so that it sets up and that all that gravy, everything thickens up in there. So, and we're ready to try it. So let's try some of that, Shishi.
All right, here we go. Check it out here.
Oh, that looks so good. Yummy. Gosh, that looks so good.
Yes.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, let's try it.
Ready, get set, go.
It's cheesy. It's cheesy. Okay. Mmm. That was good. Oh, yeah. That is really good. Judy from Dayton, Ohio, we thank you for this recipe.
Yes,
this
really
is
good.
Great. Wow. Thanks again for watching and liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us on Facebook
And Instagram.
and Twitter. And visit shotgunred.com. We sell our breading mix there. We also have dolls and other merchandise. And you could submit a recipe. And if you submit the recipe and we use it on the show like we did Judy's here, you'll get a free set of the Shotgun Red Live DVDs. As Steve would say, if this ain't the best Tater Tot Cheeseburger Casserole. If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. And I'm going to eat some more of this yummy stuff. It's cheesy, delicious. I don't know if I can get all that cheese off there.
Here it goes.
Oh my God.
Good. And we're here today with a new recipe, and it came in from
and or on the bottom of the
what am I doing with this?
the tater tots. I don't know. What are you gonna do with that,
I
Sheila?
don't know.
So they good stuff.
Some more Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire. Look, she almost said it. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. It's Worcestershire sauce. 45 minutes and we'll be back.
Go.
Going.
Put it in the oven. Hash brown.
No. Tater tot.
Tater tot.
Yes.
Okay.
Tater tot cheeseburger casserole. Okay. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you right here next time on who are we?
Cooking.
One more time. Cooking show. Okay.
Cooking.
Ding. Okay.
Ding.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.